Hey, good afternoon there, Florida 3% Patriots. My name is Chris, call sign AA4CB, and today I would like to do a unboxing video of a Yaesu handheld walkie-talkie for amateur radio. Got it in the mail. I'll give some plugs to who I got it from. Ham Radio Outlet. Whoa. Basically the only place I have been shopping online with all the lack of ham fest and activities going on. Can't go out. Well, I guess you gotta buy new then. Their prices are pretty good. I like the people there. And here we go. Let's rip into it. There we go. What do we have? We have a Yaesu FT Fox Tango 4X X-Ray FT4X analog dual band radio. It came in at a really good price. Can't remember exactly what the price was. Let's see, here's the invoice. Minus a couple of worms, no prices on there. I think it was $79, yeah, $74 special this month. Had a little promo going with it, so you knocked off a couple of dollars there. But looks like a good, decent radio. I ordered also the programming cable for this particular model. This will work on the FT4X, FT65, and a couple other radios that look basically the same there. So here we go. Let's crack her open. See, what do we have here? We have operating manual. Okay, yeah, I might need my glasses to figure this one out. Hey, it's in English. Good. 36 pages. A note about the rechargeable battery pack. And what do we have in here? So far, I see the radio. We'll take that out. Wow, that looks pretty small. Mini, micro, mini. Yeah, what's there, mini? We'll put this up there. Open this one up. We also have in the package a desktop charging stand. Not a fast charger, not the quick charger. The standard charging method for this particular radio. Another item in here. Let's see if I can get it out. Looks like a wall adapter for European currents. Next is a belt clip. We'll have to put that together. But we'll get the rest of the items out before we do any work on the radio there. And the ever so needed wall wart for plugging into the typical 110 output. Take the European output adapter and put it back in the box. Not going to need that anytime soon. Plugs into the back of the wall charger. And what else we have in here? Antenna, okay. Crack this open, dual band antenna. Yep, 2 meters and 440. We'll screw that on for now. Goes in like that. Reverse SMA connector. Standard for Yaesu. The opposite of the Bowfang adapters, of the Bowfang connectors. So we have an antenna for a Bowfang or an adapter for a Bowfang, the 259. It's not going to work. You need to get the opposite side. Okay, battery pack. Let's see, 7.4 volts at 1750 milliamps. Okay, amp and 3/4 there. So we're going to clip that on. Radio looks pretty good. I'll get a little closer look up here to the camera. Hopefully you can all see that. I'll slap the battery in here. Okay. That's the size of the radio. Turn it on. Comes up with whatever frequency they have in there, 430. Feels pretty good. very light. Doesn't feel like it's a throwaway. Let's see, 146880. Okay, yeah, it takes there. 446000. Okay, that seems to do pretty good. Like I said, this is a video one, just an unboxing video. We're not going to get into all the details of the how and the what. We'll probably have more videos coming out after this, like the Mars Cap mod. I'm pretty sure it's out there, so that you can get this radio on FRS and GMRS frequencies and anything in between, and save me the comments. I don't want to hear about not type accepted, because honestly I don't give a shit. Belt clip radio. For those of you that are familiar with some of the radios that are out there, we'll take the standard Bofang. Here we have a Bofang UV82. Yeah, that looks like it. UV82. Been out there for a couple of years. Dual band. Hey, look at that. Still works. I haven't used it in. I use it like twice a year. This is probably the second time I've turned it on. This is a UV82X. A little different from the regular UV82. This is a 2-meter 220 version, but the same physical case. Nice. Yaesu's got the trigger button for the, I call it the trigger button because you can aim your signal out there. But it's got a nice feel to it. Fits in your palm. I know my hands are big, but still looks pretty good. Bofang. This particular model also feels comfortable, but we'll put the radio off to the side there. And I'll show you the size difference in comparison there. Okay, I guess that's going to be about it for unboxing, but FT4X, nice good starter radio, handy talkie. There's a lot of accessories out there for it. You can get the bigger battery packs, additional battery packs, cases to cover it up, bigger antennas, and of course I would suggest a bigger antenna unless you're not looking for long distance communications. But let's see, yeah, that's it. That's what comes with it. So this has been your unboxing of a Yaesu FT4X. Hope all you guys in the Florida Patriots group, Florida 3% Patriots group, goes out and pick themselves up a handy talkie and get themselves a license. Work for your license. Amateur radio license. You can operate this radio after you pass and get a call sign when you take your technician class license. It's not that difficult. Pretty easy. And more information on future videos. FT4X. FT4X, yeah. Dual band, 2 meters, 440. Pretty small. Couple of watts out. Yeah. Lithium-ion battery. Another one for the collection. Thank you. 7-3 from AA4CB.